Okay. The most fierce beer fight ever. That's crazy. Getting to there. He already got a big gash in his leg. I wish I would have saw it when he got that. It looked like the darker one was trying to back down, but the light one said no. He was trying to back down. I said no, ain't nobody trying to hear that, man.